In this video I will show you how to download WordPress from the Linux terminal using the wget command. When you want to set up a WordPress website on a remote server, you don't have to download it locally and then upload via FTP, because you can directly download WordPress from the Linux terminal using the wget command. And here I am at the var www directory, which is the Apache document root, and here if I want to set up a WordPress website, first I will download WordPress using the wget command. Wget command followed by the WordPress download URL, which is going to be https://wordpress.org/latest.tar.gz, and this will download the latest version of the WordPress to this current working directory. And here now we have a tar file called latest.tar.gz, and we can extract it using the command tar-z xvf latest.tar.gz. and now we have a folder called WordPress, which we can use as our document root. And for example, if I want to set up a website called example.com, I will rename this WordPress folder to example.com. and now we have the document root to example.com with WordPress installation files.